Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Today, let me start GK Unit 6 Sports and Entertainment, Chapter number 41 Sporty Know How. Okay, so answer these questions. Number one, what does IPS stand for with reference to cricket? So, this is Indian Premier League. Premier, Indian Premier League. Okay. Question number two. In this sport, will you use terms such as poise and sabres? It is fencing. Number three. In which sport does the sports person train with punch bag? Boxing. Number four. What is rubbed into the cup to play billiards? Chalk. Number five, what is the Korean word of the art of kicking and punching? It is Taekwondo. Tai, Taekwondo. Number six, with which game do we associate these pins? It is bowling. This one. Number seven, who is karateka? One who practice karate. One who practice karate. In which sport will you use in iron to tee off on the course? So it is golf. Number 9. In which game must the winner reach exactly 0 on his last throw? So this is dart. And number 10. Which sport is held in a velodrome? Number 10 is cycling. Number 11. With which sport would you associate the US club, the New York Yankees? It is baseball. Number 12. One of the sports that is part of a biathlon is skiing, which is the other one. It is shooting. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 42. Chapter number 42, Olympics. Olympics are the biggest sports event. Eagerly awaited by every sports lover, let us learn and also check your knowledge about Olympics. Okay, so fill in the correct answer in the given space. Use the help box. Number one, the Olympic flag was introduced in 1896. What do the five rings and then signify? Five continent. Number two, who was the first person to ever win 10 Olympic gold medal? Michael Phelps. Number 3, according to the legend, the ancient Olympic Games were founded by a son of Zeus, a Roman. Name the person who founded it. Heracles. Number 4, the 2023 Olympic Games were held in Berlin, Germany. Berlin, Germany. Number 5, at which Olympic did US swimmer Mark Spitz set an Olympic record by winning 7 gold medals? Which did US swimmer? 1972 Munich. 1972 Munich. Number 6, which sport has not been an event at the Summer Olympics? So which sports? It is tug of war. Number 7, in 1968, the Olympic Games were held at the highest altitude ever, 7,349 feet. The place was Mexico City. Number 8, Dash leads the march past during both the Summer and Winter Olympic Games. Greek. Number 9, in these Olympic Games, the Olympic flame was introduced, and for the first time, women competed in track field in 1928 Amsterdam. Number 10, there was no Olympic Games in 1960, 1940 or 1944. It was cancelled due to some several reasons. So it was World War II, first and two. World War first and second. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 43. Asian Games. Asian Games started in the year 1951 and they are held once in every 4 year. Complete the following sentence to check your knowledge regarding Asian Games. So number 1, Dash was the person to coin the name Asian Games. So Jawaharlal Nehru. ये थे कौन? Jawaharlal Nehru. Number 2, Dash is the symbol of the Asian Games. It is rising sun. No. Very likely. Rising sun. With interlocking rings. With interlocking rings. Number 3, Dash is the motto of the Asian Games. 11 New Delhi, Indonesia, India, Beijing. Ever onwards. Ever onwards is the motto of the Asian Games. Number 4, Dash was the first country to host the Asian Games, India. Number 5, Dash countries and around 500 contestants participated in the first Asian Games. 11 countries. Number 6, Kabaddi was included as a medal sports in the Dash Asian Games held in China in 1919, Beijing. Beijing. Sport in the Number 7, golf was included for the first time in the Dash Asian Games held in India in 1982, New Delhi Asian Games held in India. New Delhi. Number 8, Dash was the host of the 18th Asian Games, Indonesia. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 44. How's that? Fun to know. On 18 June 1983, during the third Prudential World Cup, India faced Zimbabwe at Neville Ground at Tunbridge Wells in England in a group match. So playing under overcast condition, India was 9 runs for 4 wickets and then 17 runs for 5 wickets. So Kapil Dev, the Indian captain, secured the innings and scored 175 runs of just 138 balls. So India went on to win the match by 31 runs. This was followed by India lifting the World Cup for the first time. In March 2001, in the second test match against Australia at Eden Gardens, India were forced to follow on. However, VVS Lakshman played a master innings and scores 281 runs. So India went to win the match. On 2nd April 2011, India won the 10th ICC Cricket World Cup against Sri Lanka by 6 wickets. It was held at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. So MS Dhoni, the captain of the Indian team, scored 91 runs from 79 balls. So India won the World Cup for the second time. So check your awareness. Take the correct answer. In which country was cricket played for the first time? In which country was cricket played for the first time? England. Which wood was traditionally used to make cricket bats? A. B. No. C. 3. What does LBW stand for? Lag before wicket. For which country did the Sir Donald Bradman play? C. Australia. Number 5. What was the name of the official mascot of the Cricket World Cup in 2011? Stumpy. Chris Gill of the Royal Challengers Bangalore won the Orange Cup in the IPL 2011 for scoring the maximum runs in the tournament. He scored 608 runs in 12 matches. Lasith Malinga of Mumbai Indians won the Purple Cup for taking the maximum wickets. He took 28 wickets in 16 matches. Okay, everyone. So this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 45. Television Doordarshan. First TV center opened 15 August 1959. Number of TV centers 20. Color TV service started on 15th August 1982. First indigenous TV set produced in India 1969. Doordarshan commercial service started in 1986. Highest TV tower in India, Pitampura, New Delhi, 35-meter. Commissioned on November 7, 1988. First TV center of India in New Delhi. So the second TV center was opened at Mumbai in 1972, followed by new centers at Delhi, Mumbai, Srinagar, Amritsar, Pune, Calcutta, Chennai, Lucknow, Jaipur, Rampur, Mussoorie, and Hyderabad. Another TV tower is being constructed near Ramgarh village in Jaisalmer district of a height 65-meter taller than the TV tower at Pitampura, New Delhi. So name the 4 Samachar news agencies. So number 1 is Press Trust India. Number 2 is United News of India. Number 3 and number 3 is Samachar Bharat. Number 4 is Hindustan Samachar. Okay, so these are the 4 news channels. Now write the full form of one EINS. So this is Eastern India News Agency. Eastern India News Agency. Number 2, INFA. So this is Indian News and Features Alliance. Indian News and Features Alliance. Number 3 is IPA, Indian Press Agency. Indian Press Agency. Number 4 and AFEN. So this is Need and Far East News. Near and Far East News. Number 5, NFI. NFI, News Features of India.
This is it's straw. They can
Number 6, AIR, All India Radio. AIBS, Indian Broadcasting Service. Indian Broadcasting Service. Okay? So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now maybe let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 46. Okay, so chapter number 45 is also here. Okay, so Radio Akashvani. First radio broadcast 1927 by privately owned transmitter at Mumbai and Kolkata. In 1930, the government of India took over the privately owned transmitters and started its own transmission under the name of Indian Broadcasting Service. So IBS later became All India Radio AIR in 1936, and since 1957 it is known as Akashvani. Vivid Bharati. Vivid Bharati is in Akashvani broadcasting youth programs from 74 centers in the country. It is the news service provided by some radio stations to cater to the needs of the young being put on the exclusive radio station. Yuva Vani. Yuva Vani is an Akashvani service which broadcasts youth programs from 74 centers in the country. It is the news service provided by some radio stations to cater to the needs of the young being put on exclusive radio stations. Okay, commercial broadcast. Commercial broadcasts were introduced in India in November 1967. Sponsored programs were introduced in May 1970. Today, all the radio stations of All India Radio and Vivid Bharati carry out commercial broadcasts. National Channel. The National Channel was started by May 18, 1988 to broadcast quality music, economic reviews, etc. So it is a comprehensive service to the listening public and aims to emphasize the national relevance and significance. Okay, so give a line about the AR channels and give pictures of the anchors to make it more interesting. So these are the anchors. So everybody, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 46. The sport. A sport is an event that involves physical activity and skilled individuals or team compete against one another to win a game. So read the clues and solve this cross patch. So let me start. Number 1. An outdoor sport play with an oval ball by two teams of 15 players each. This is rugby. R-U-G-B-Y. Rugby. Number 6. A contact sport in which a wrestler called Rikishi attempts to push his opponent out of a circular ring. So this is sumo wrestling. Number 6. Sumo wrestling. S-U-M-O-W-R-E-S-T-L-I-N-G. Sumo wrestling. Next one. Number 8. A sport in which the players attempt to score point by rolling a heavy ball along a flat surface to hit object called pins. So it is bowling. O-W-L-I-N-G. Bowling. Next one. Number 9. A water sport played by two teams each consisting. It is water polo. Number 9. Water, P-O-L-O, water polo. Number 10. A sport played on a large table with different colored balls. It is snooker. S-N-O-O-K-E-R, snooker. Okay? Now, down. Number 2. The national sport of USA, it is a bat and ball sport play between two teams of 9 players each. It is baseball. Number 2. B-A-S-E-B-A-L-L. Baseball. Okay. Now number 3. A kind of sword fight in which foil, épée and sabre are the weapons used. So it is fencing. Which number? Number 3. Fencing. F-E-N-C-I-N-G. Number 4 are racket sports played by two players in a 4-wall court with a rubber ball. So this one is number 4. Squash. S-Q-U-A-S-H. Squash. Next one. Number 5. A sport that consists of 3 events: squat, bench press, and deadlift. It is powerlifting. So number is 5. Power, Lifting. Powerlifting. Okay. Now the last one, a team sport in which one team sends a rudder into the half of the other team. The rudder has to hold his or her breath during the entire raid. So it is kabaddi. Number 7. A, B, A, D, D, I. Okay. So everyone, the all chapter of this units are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand these all our chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.